Okay, so this is for the C7 guys with the early models, the 14s, early 15s. If you're getting a vibration from a vibration sound from around 30 to 40 mile per hour, and when you're in V4 mode, most likely you have a clapped out belt tensioner. Yeah, so they say when these things give out, they leak. It looks like it's doing that. When I broke the tension on the belt, there's hardly any pressure. Yeah, I'd say that tensioner has seen better days. So hopefully no more vibration sounds. Okay, so when I did the install on the new tensioner, I went from the bottom and was able to get the bottom bolt pretty easy. That was a 13 mil, and then the top bolt was a 15 mil, and I went from the top side to get the top one. All I did was remove the cold air intake with the box to get to all that. And I believe the tensioner bolt's a 15 millimeter. So I got the belt tensioner swapped over with a new belt. Guess we'll see if that resolves the issues.